Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to change language in World of Warships. So first method is by changing the audio language or the voiceover language. What you have to do is open up your game, and once you're in the port screen, what you have to do is go to the settings, which is right here, and click settings, and then click on the audio tab. Scroll down to where you see voiceover, and under voiceover you see language, and then click on that and then change it to a language that you prefer. That method will only change the voiceover language, but if you want to change the entire language of the game, what you have to do is exit out of the game and then open up Steam. Okay, so once you have Steam opened up, what you have to do is go to your library, find World of Warships, you right click, and then click on Properties. And once you're here, under the General tab, you can see that there is language here. And then click on the drop down arrow, find the language that you prefer, and once you click on it, the download for the language data packs will automatically start downloading. All you have to do is just wait for it to finish downloading, exit out of properties, and then start your game. And that will automatically apply and then change your game to the language that you preferred. And that is how you change language in World of Warships.